Welcome. This short video will tell you what you need to know about the Mercenary live feed. In a nutshell, the Mercenary live feed is an over-the-shoulder look at the real-time trading decisions of Jack Sparrow and Mike McDermott, the founders of Mercenary Trader. The live feed is not a trading newsletter, not a trading chat room, and not a trading blog, but rather a unique hybrid of all three. But really, the live feed is much more than that. Calling it a trading service doesn't do it justice. To really sense the power of the live feed, you simply have to experience it for yourself, which is why we offer a free trial. More on that at the end of the video. As active money managers trading a substantial portion of our own net worth, we are aggressive traders who place a high premium on capital preservation. We eat our own cooking and put real dollars at risk on every trade we make. Our motto? Superior profits through risk control. We are neither day traders nor long-term investors. Rather, we are swing traders with a strong trend-following influence. Our process can be described as long-short with a global macro overlay. We primarily trade equities and ETFs, with some commodities and forex mixed in. Our focus is on carving out large chunks of profit from liquid markets on a multi-day or multi-week basis. Our aggressive performance target is 40% compound annual returns, regardless of whether the stock market is up or down. Achieving this result can mean yearly gains ranging from single-digit percentages to many hundreds of percent. We are not clipping coupons here. We focus on delivering such returns safely because remember, we have our own capital at risk on every trade through superior risk management at all levels, from total portfolio management all the way down to daily risk point adjustment and active position monitoring for every trade. We seek to accomplish our aggressive return goals through discriminating trade selection, price-based pattern filtering, and top-down macro analysis. Every day we scan through hundreds of potential trade setups to find the very best opportunities. We also actively monitor and interpret institutional sentiment drivers, global macro factors, and other inputs to optimize trading returns. The result, we believe, is a consistent ability to identify the most attractive trade setups on a day-in and day-out basis, both long and short, in all classes of market environment, from bullish to bearish and high volatility to low. Another key factor in our success is dynamic position sizing. We have the ability to adjust our trade size by a factor of more than 40 to 1, giving us the opportunity to be extremely aggressive when the environment is right and to back off the throttle when conditions are unfavorable. And again, all of our trades are taken with real capital, broadcast in real time, and held in a real trading account. As a live feed subscriber, you will benefit from our depth of experience and diverse backgrounds. Between the two of us, Jack and Mike, we've got more than 30 years of professional market experience covering a diverse array of asset classes. This makes the live feed a valuable resource for traders and investors alike. For example, active traders appreciate our frequency of trade setups, along with our real-time broadcasts of entry and exit points, while longer-term investors are attracted to the live feed because of investment idea generation and deep commentary focus on individual sectors and industries. And all subscribers benefit from our top-down market perspective and our ability to analyze key drivers of all market environments. By design, the live feed is extremely easy to use. Clean, powerful, and intuitive are three words we often hear to describe it. So now let's demonstrate just how easy with a quick run-through as to how the live feed works. Each morning we put together a package of materials for the trading day ahead. These materials are emailed to your inbox an hour before the U.S. market open and also posted on our members-only site. The live feed commentary covers the most important issues facing us each trading day. Depending on the day, commentary may focus on the macro environment, key drivers or inflection points in play, particular market events, or trading-related observations impacting future trade decisions and the current trading portfolio. The commentary helps us boil down all of the news flow to the very basic points that are important for our trading. This way we avoid information overload and can focus on the events and issues that are likely to be key catalysts for our positions. Here you can see a quick synopsis of our trade setups and adjustments for each day. This is your reference point for daily trade adjustments, including new pending long and short positions, adjustments to pending trades and existing risk points, and trade cancellations and closures. For every new trade, long or short, we post a chart with commentary for the trade. These charts include support and resistance points, so you can see our logic behind initial entry and risk points with price-based pattern confirmation. The pending orders table shows our potential entry prices as well as risk points for all pending trades. The pending orders table is updated on the live feed site each morning at 8:30 EST and sent out in the email broadcast, giving subscribers plenty of time to set up the trades before U.S. markets open. For the majority of our trades, we use stop limit orders to ensure that the price action is moving in our favor as we enter. More information about how stop limit orders work is included in the frequently asked questions section in the live feed site. The trend tracker is your central dashboard for analyzing the price action of relevant benchmarks, sectors, and asset classes. This valuable trend snapshot is updated regularly to give you a bird's eye view of how trends are developing, levels of overall risk appetite across multiple markets, and where institutional capital is flowing. The position summary is a snapshot of all open positions, complete with entry prices, risk points, trade targets, and other important data points such as earning dates, reward to risk ratios on trades, and so on. Note that the position summary is sorted by industry, so you can easily see our allocation to different sectors. All of these live feed modules are emailed to subscribers each morning an hour before U.S. equities open. They are also posted on the live feed website for easy access throughout the day. Throughout the trading day, we update all executions in real time on the live feed site. And of course, all of our historical trades are available in the permanent archives, which go back several years to when the live feed began. Live feed subscribers also have access to a private Twitter feed through which we send out trade alerts in real time throughout the day. The feed can be set up so that you can receive text message alerts in real time to your phone. We have a detailed instruction page to guide you through exactly how to set those up. While the majority of our trade setups are broadcast to subscribers an hour before market open, we do send out audible trade alerts during the trading day when appropriate. These alerts can be new positions or alerts to take profits or cut losses on existing positions based on a market movement. Whenever we broadcast a new trade alert during the day, we always send the alert via Twitter first before executing the trade in our own account. Here is an example of an intraday trade alert. Once the trade is executed in our own account, we also send out an alert reporting our actual transaction price. All transactions are recorded on the live feed site as well, and all historic trades are available through the calendar-based archives on the live feed site. Live feed subscribers also have full complimentary access to the MT Driver's Manual, our groundbreaking educational product which covers the ins and outs of how we trade, including our screening and trade selection process, position sizing metrics, portfolio composition, trading psychology, and much, much more. Over the more than 2 years that the live feed has been running, we have received some tremendous accolades from our subscribers. For example, take a look at a small sample of the documented testimonials our members have emailed. The market analysis is so close to perfect, it is uncanny. It is because of your comments, charts, and graphs, mostly the comments, that I understand why I am taking the trade. This causes me to be 100% more comfortable with it. Thank you. I liked your complete setup. It is not excessive in presenting too much. It is presented intelligently and in a methodical and organized manner. Unlike other services I have seen, yours is organized and formatted perfectly in my opinion. Not too much and not vague. Logical, orderly, clear in intent. You guys have made a lot of money for me, and although I don't track such things 100%, you have never lost me much money. Your approach to risk is the same as mine. You manage losses well and keep them small. I like the mix between macro perspective and technical applications. You'll pull a trade out of the back corner of someplace, touching on something I never even thought about. That's what I like. As one of the sheeple trying to avoid the slaughter, I appreciate you sharing the information and ideas and really like the way you two think different. Excellent analysis, very good risk management. Needless to say, we greatly appreciate this feedback. But don't take their word for it. See for yourself by taking advantage of our free 14-day trial. To get started, simply click on the 14-day free trial box below this video or in the email that was sent to you. There is no obligation, no charge to your credit card, and no strings attached. You can end your trial at any time with a simple email indicating desire to cancel. And if you have further questions, we are happy to answer them personally. Simply email Jack or Mike@mercenarytrader.com. Be also aware that seats are limited, pricing can rise at any time, and we reserve the right to close the live feed to new subscribers at any time. We have already raised the price twice due to demand, so by signing up now you can ensure a seat and lock in the current low rate for a guaranteed 2 years. So don't delay. Get your live feed 14-day free trial right now.